All right, guys. So this is example number 2. So the thing is, there is not a fixed way to use quarterly theory. It works with every strategy. You can say it is a tool to confirm your entries. Typically, and the prime entry that you would get is during the manipulation phase, because that is when price is going into some form of PD array to either sweep sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, or it will go into a PD array. So I want to give you an example here. So if I go to the 4-hour time frame here, now this is going to be how I use this with the auto flow trading strategy. So over here you can see we are clearly, sorry for that. Okay, so you can clearly see that we are bullish here. Now you can see we have this auto block here, this auto block right here. Focus on that. I will mark this out like that. Now let's go to 15-minute time frame. Now if I go to 15 minutes time frame, you can see over here we came into the auto block. So if I disable this just to make the chart clean, this was the 4-hour auto block. Price tapped into it and we had a shift in market structure. Now notice, when did price come into the PD array and when did price take out this low here? First off, the big quarter was the manipulation quarter. During this phase, the manipulation quadrant of the manipulation quarter, you can see we also took out this liquidity and this liquidity. But you can see during the manipulation quarter, we tapped into the auto block. Now afterwards, what do we have? We have a shift in the market structure right here. Now the green box is the expansion quarter. And over here, you can see we have a beautiful auto block here. And once price came into our auto block, and you can see that during the manipulation phase of the distribution quarter. So this green box is the expansion quarter, okay? But look at the manipulation quadrant, the red box here. This box went into this auto block. So do you understand what I'm trying to teach here? If you can understand this, this will significantly improve the way you trade, all right? Look at this carefully. We marked out the 4-hour auto block. During the manipulation phase, during the manipulation quarter, we went into the higher time frame PD array. Now afterwards, we have a shift in the market structure. Now we had a lower time frame auto block, and during the expansion quarter, we had a manipulative quadrant, and that pushed the price into this auto block for expansion. So we also had this breaker block, you can say. Price tapped into here and it pushed back up. So by now you must get the idea what I'm trying to teach you. We use the quarterly theory to improve our win rate, and when we are using this with other strategies, we want to make sure that we are taking our entries at the right time. All right, are we taking our entry during the manipulation phase, or are we taking our entry during the expansion phase? We primarily want to take our entry on the lower time frame during the expansion phase. And we want to see price go into our higher time frame PD array during the manipulation phase. I hope that clears it. Let's move on to another example.